Controlnet QR Code Monster is designed to generate QR codes that are both creative and scannable. This model's performance can be fine-tuned using various parameters and prompts, allowing users to balance between creativity and also reliability. So how this works is that QR codes are passed as condition images with a module size of 16 pixels. And then it uses a higher error correction level to make it easier to read. Sometimes a lower level can be easier to read if smaller in size. And then it uses a gray background for the rest of the image to make the code integrate better. In order to make it more optimal, you should always be using a prompt to guide the QR code generation. The output of this model will highly depend on the given prompt. So a good quality prompt engineering is a must. There are some prompts which seem to be really easily acceptable by the QR code process, but then some will require some careful tweaking and retries to get the good results. Okay, now if you want another tip is that for an optimally readable output, try generating multiple QR codes with similar parameters and then choose the best ones. Also try to use image to image feature to improve the readability of a generated QR code. Now, let me also show you few of the example from the gallery where people have created some of the QR codes. So if you look at it, this is simply amazing. All of these images are not only creative, but they're also scannable. So these are QR codes. So if you're looking for a nifty, a zany QR codes for your use case, then maybe this model is a good option. Give it a try. This is also available on Hugging Face, as I just showed you. And if you check its files and versions, they are all available here. And the authors are recommending that instead of using V1, which is mentioned in this name, you should be using V2, and it is present in this subfolder. The size is quite good too, just under 2 GB, which is great. I will drop the link to this model in video's description so that you can go in and try it out on your own. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you already are using it, please share your experience. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.